Are we waiting for it to go or what?
Yep.
Go ahead,
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right.